Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to convert your photos into a PDF file using your iPhone? In this video, I will show you how to do so with two easy methods. Let's go. You will not need an internet connection or any third-party apps for these methods. For the first method, open the Photos app and choose the images that you want to include in your PDF file. Next, click on the Share button on the bottom left of the screen. Scroll down until you see Print and tap on it. To zoom in and preview the file, pinch the picture on the bottom. The file is already in PDF form, so you can now click on the Share button. Select Save to Files and save it to a folder, then click Save. If I check the Files app, you can see that I have successfully converted 3 photos into one PDF file. If you want to try out another method, follow the next steps. Open Photos and select your images again. Tap the Share button, then click Save to File. On the Files app, tap the 3 dots menu on the upper right and tap Select. Choose the photos you have just saved, tap on the 3 dots on the bottom right corner, and select Create PDF. The PDF will automatically be created and saved in the same location. Note that this could take a few seconds, especially if you want to convert many images. You'll know which one is the PDF file because of the file size. If the file size is bigger, then that is the PDF you converted. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.